Need to access your data on the go? Whether your Mac desktop or MacBook is broken, lost, or stolen, Ahsay has you covered. Ahsay offers the simplest and most convenient way to restore your files anytime, anywhere. All you need is a web browser and an internet connection. Ahsay Online Backup Restore for macOS is a powerful runtime application with a small footprint that delivers the same full-featured restore functionality as AhsayOBM or AhsayACB. Don't miss out on this user-friendly and extremely handy tool perfect for overcoming any situational setbacks. To learn how to recover your files using AhsayOBR on macOS, let's go to my screen and get started. To start with, open a browser and go to your AhsayCBS Web Management Console. Go to the Download page, then click the Restore tab. In the macOS section, there are two types of installation. One is the DMG Online Installer, and two is the Zip Offline Installer. We'll show you how to work through both installation modes. Starting with the DMG Online Installer. Click on it, and it will automatically download the OBR Online Installer for macOS. To proceed, on the menu bar, click Go and select Applications. Create a new folder. You may rename it as OBR as well. Open the Downloads folder, then drag the downloaded online installer file to move it to the OBR folder. Copy the installation file name, as you will need this later on. Click Go, then select Utilities. Double-click on Terminal. A terminal session will be prompted. Enter the cd command to go to the OBR folder. Then use the sudo sh command to execute the online installer. Paste the installation file name that you have copied earlier. After the installation, AhsayOBR will automatically launch. You'll see a similar login screen as AhsayOBM. Now that you've learned how to install AhsayOBR using the DMG Online Installer, let's proceed with the offline installer. Go back to the download page of your AhsayCBS Web Management Console and click on the Zip Offline Installer to download. Double-click the AhsayOBR offline installation package you have just downloaded. From the menu bar, click Go, then select Utilities. Double-click the terminal icon. Use the cd command to enter the OBR Mac folder. Use the sh command to launch the installer. After successful installation, AhsayOBR will automatically launch. You will see a similar login screen as AhsayOBM. Click Show Advanced option first to configure the network settings if required. Click OK, then log in using your credentials. After a successful access, you will be immediately redirected to the configuration of the Restore page. Take note, clicking Cancel or closing AhsayOBR will shut down the software completely. If you wish to use AhsayOBR again after the software closed, you will have to go back to the installation process to launch it again. Follow the recommended steps when restoring files. For more in-depth discussion on how to restore data using AhsayOBM, check out the Ahsay video, Tips on Recovering Files using AhsayOBM, or check the link in the description below. Select the backup set. Then select a destination. We'll select AhsayCBS as we currently don't have any access to the local one destination, which is in our original machine. Check the temporary directory and configure if needed. Then, click Next. To proceed, you must enter the encryption key of the selected backup set. Take note, if you have lost or forgot your encryption key, you will not be able to recover your data. After successful access, select what to restore. For this, we'll keep the default selection Choose from Files as of Job. You may select a particular version by clicking the drop-down menus next to it. There are features that may help you speed up the file selection process, such as the Show Filter feature and Search feature. You may want to utilize the Show Filter feature if you'd like to speed up the file selection, considering that you know which particular folder the files are located in, but the folder contains a large number of files. Aside from filter, you can also utilize search, which can be found at the bottom left part of the page. The search feature is a bit similar to filter, but search has a broader scope, allowing the customer to apply filter to all the folders, including subfolders and/or files. For this restore job, I'll select the folder Documents to restore all the data of this particular backup set, which includes 4 folders. Click Next. Choose where to store the files to. As the current machine doesn't have the same directory path as the original location, we'll select Alternate Location. Click Browse. For this, we have already prepared a directory path. Select the directory path, then OK. Click Show Advanced option. Keep the settings on default and click Restore to continue. After a successful restore, you will see here that a number of files have been successfully restored. To check the restored files, just go to the selected directory path earlier. Open the subfolders until you reach the folder you have selected. And that is how to recover your files using AhsayOBR on macOS. Quick and easy. With just a web browser and an internet connection, you can already restore your files anytime, anywhere. Achieve your ultimate goal of complete data protection. Secure, reliable, affordable. Ahsay. Keep your data safe with us.